What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. Today, I got an assignment for you all. Here's what I want you to do. I want everybody to sign up for the Nextdoor app. It's free. I don't need you to sign up for a business. You don't need to have a business. You don't need to have a business ideal or anything. I just want you guys to sign up for the app. And here's what I want you guys to do when you sign up for the app. Just start looking and perusing around the app. Treat the app like Instagram, Craigslist, Facebook, TikTok even. Any app that you just scroll around, treat the app in that manner. And after you scroll around the app, I want you to start noticing the things that you're seeing, right? So you're going to start seeing things like loud marketing and subtle marketing. So emotional marketing and marketing to the mental, to the head. Remy, don't do that. So once you're on the app, you'll start seeing things like a lot of your neighbors looking for recommendations. Some of the recommendations may be things that you know how to do, or things that it's easy for you to do, you've done before, or that you're just simply willing to do for your neighbor. And then you'll see things like this. Oh, my sister came and designed a wall for me. My sister designs walls, and she came and designed a wall for me. Or my cousin or my brother or such and so specializes in doing fences or redoing bathrooms or remodeling this, that. That's subtle marketing, right? So they're either going to be asking for recommendations or they're going to be recommending somebody. And that's where you're going to see where you can get in the game at, right? So if it's, again, a service that you offer or a service that you're willing to do, here's what you're going to do. Get in your DMs. Get in their DMs, send them a message and let them know, hey, I do this, I've done that, I run this, or I do that. Right? And see if you can start getting money in that manner. Now, 9 times out of 10, they're not going to ask you for insurance unless it's something serious. A lot of times they need TVs mounted, furniture put together, stuff moved around, junk hauled off, just simple things that you guys can do to start putting money in your pockets for free. From there, you can build up a reputation. And then you can really start marketing your services. But the first thing you do after you complete a task for somebody, which you normally don't have to do, they get on there and they say, oh, I just want to recommend this person, they did such a good job, blah, 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 blah. But you're going to want to ask them for recommendations on the site. Let people know that you did a good job and they were pleased with the service that you gave them. What's that going to do is going to allow people to trust, have faith in hiring you to come into their homes to do the same thing. You're going to see everything on there. We're going to start off right there. First task, everybody, download the Nextdoor app. It's free. Don't download it as a business. I'm pretty sure they probably make you pay for that. Don't get on there and openly advertise that you do this. They're probably going to make you pay for that. Just get on the site and see how the site operates. See how people are subtly marketing in your area. Let's see how people are loudly marketing in your area. Some people may do the, hey, I just moved, I'm new to the area, I like to offer my services for free. Or I just want to let everyone know I do this, right? Sometimes people will flag it, sometimes they won't. Join the groups that are significant to the things that you like. It'll expand your networking opportunity, right? And you'll meet new people. And that's always a plus when you're trying to go into business for yourself. So, first recommendation, everybody, join the Nextdoor app as a neighbor, not as a business. We're not there yet. If you are there yet, cool. If you're not, perfect. Join as your neighbor and see where you can win at on the app if people are looking for your services in the area. Because what will happen is if someone lives close and you do a service for them and their family lives 50, 75 miles away, it's still within the state. You're already paying insurance and fees and all of that once you get to that point. So now you're expanding your customer reach, right? And from there, I'll show you guys how to do the digital marketing to expand it even more and how to get money in your DMs. All right, again, it's Perry, Process for Profits, all service business, all success, service business simplified. And I'm about to teach you guys how to make money from something you intrinsically have in you. I've already told you how to do it with the things you already have at home. So now we're going to do it with the things that you got inside of you. And we're going to have a great year this year. Peace.